Living lagoon-friendly. We've all heard it, but what does it mean? Well, this means becoming more aware that there are things that we all do that damage the lagoon and harm water quality. Anyone who cares about the health of the lagoon, including agencies, governments, homeowners, boaters, anglers, we all have a role in helping protect the lagoon. Agencies and governments can address wastewater and stormwater infrastructure repairs and upgrades, refine land use practices and building codes toward more sustainable methods, and re-examine using septic systems for wastewater treatment. So it's going to take strong commitment and resolve from policymakers to correct the ills of the past and bring about solutions to improve Florida's water quality issues. Homeowners can show their resolve to live lagoon-friendly by using eco-friendly products, cleaning up after themselves while out enjoying the lagoon, and changing how we maintain our lawns and gardens. Even if you're not a homeowner, you can still help by getting active in your community, learning about the issues affecting the lagoon and supporting efforts to solve these problems. By adopting just a few lagoon-friendly practices, we all make a difference. We encourage you to invite your friends and neighbors to join us in restoring the lagoon. It's going to take more than just state agencies and local governments to solve the problem. We can do it.